Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and one of my viewers asked me if the C17 was able of carrying a 808 keychain camera. Well, to tell you the truth, I don't know, but as wise Mr. Awel said to the kid who asked, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? Let's find out. Okay, here we go, let's do it. It's recording, everything's ready to go, and throttle, launch. No, it is not capable of lifting the 808 keychain camera. Okay, I just got it Velcroed on there. We're going to move it back to right about there. See if that'll do it. Full throttle. Nope, ain't going to do it. One more toss. This time I'm going to toss it up high and fast, high and hard. See if that helps it. Full throttle. Almost, but no cigar. One more time with center of gravity a little bit further back. We'll put it right about there this time. Last try, folks. Let's see if it works. I'll toss it this way. It tried, but no. That's it. That was full throttle, and it just kept coming in gradually until it impacted the ground. So no, it cannot lift an 808, at least for not very far. So for the remainder of this flight, I'm just going to take it off and have fun with it. You know, take the camera off and just do fun flying. But that's your answer. Not enough power to keep it up in the air. You can get it to fly for, I don't know, a few hundred feet, but it'll gradually, it doesn't have enough power to stay airborne, and it will gradually impact the ground. So that's your answer. Hope you enjoyed this flight. Quadcopter 101, signing out. And this is the remainder of the flight. I'm just having some fun flying here with it out in the field. Higher rate. Increasing throttle. Yeah, those hard right turns, you really have to increase the throttle quite a bit. Okay, I'm almost at full throttle now, but this is it. Hard left turn and high rate. Let's try it the other way around. Oh, I'm dizzy. But you can, I guess you could fly it indoors, except you gotta, see, I'm flying at a high rate. Boy, I'm getting dizzy doing this too. High rate with high bank angle, giving a lot of throttle every once in a while, just to keep it in the air. And this is about as high as bank angle you can get it, right about there. Okay, so you can fly it indoors. But, oh man, now I'm dizzy as heck. I like this airplane, folks. As you can tell, this is my third video with it. But I am having a blast with this little thing. I want to see how hard I can bank this thing full throttle. Full throttle. Okay, cut back in the throttle and, whoa, am I dizzy? So cool. Such a cool plane, huh? $23 plane. I hope they put out more like this. This is just awesome. Okay, that battery's getting low for me trying to fly it with the camera. Oh, I like it a lot. One more loop around. Full throttle, full throttle. That's using up its battery quite a bit. Cutting back the throttle. And we'll call quits here. Just a quickie, shorty flight. I'll be heading back over here because I got my box of quads over that direction. C17. Who makes this thing? I'm just curious. C17, fun airplane, and no, we've discovered it cannot lift an 808 keychain camera, but boy, it can make hard bank turns there, so I guess you can fly this indoors if you wish. So Quadcopter 101, signing out. Third flight of this thing.